it's your old pal Mickey Mouse. Do you want to see my clubhouse? Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. So today's video is going to be a budgie breeding update. And if you guys see me with my mustache and my beard outgrown again, write in the comments, get a life, because I need a new life if you guys see me with that growed out like he was in the last video. Okay, so I have some good news and I have some bad news. The good news is that all of the chicks are still living. All of the eggs hatched and they are all still living. The bad news is that my lips are getting ashy, so I might just be licking my lips every, I'd say 20 seconds throughout this whole video. See, there we go now. My lips only get ashy when I'm nervous. And every time I get in front of a camera, I always get nervous. It never gets easy for me. So, budgie breeding update. All of the chicks are living. We have some good news and we have some bad news. The good news is that all of the chicks are living, like I said. The bad news is that 10 days ago, okay, as you guys know, I give my birds vegetables, corn, spinach, carrots, and sometimes apples. And I give them more fruits, more vegetables when I'm breeding than any other time. And when their chicks hatch. So I was giving Cashew, Majesty, Sherbert, Dewey, Cotton, and Ernie a lot of spinach. And Cashew and Majesty and Sherbert and Dewey got crop infections, and they're now cleared up, but two of Sherbert and Dewey's chicks caught the crop infections. And at first, I didn't really pay no attention. I was just making sure that they were alive and that they did not have a lot of poop on them. But when I started realizing that the little baby budgies in there were looking like baby Mrs. Puffs off SpongeBob, I realized that something was wrong. And so I had to do what any bird breeder would do. I had to get into my bird breeding mind, and I was like, okay, what is going on? Because the parents also had bigger crops. Cashew, his crop is usually big because he tries to talk, so he always puffs his out. But his crop was looking a little bigger than before. It looked like a Mondo burger off of Good Burger. Usually his crop is the size of a Good Burger, but it was the size of a Mondo burger a couple days ago, and it concerned me. But luckily it went away, because this is not sponsored. I promise you guys, it's not sponsored at all. I got them some antibiotics, and it cleared it right on up, and they don't have crop infections anymore. So yeah. But I do need some more because I'm running out. So if you guys want to help me get some more, you guys do not have to. I do not like pressuring anybody into doing anything. And I really don't like begging. So you guys do not have to do this, but if you want to, my PayPal is and my channel info is a donate and support. If you guys want to help me get some more antibiotics for them, then that's fine. But if not, that's fine. Also, I started giving the chicks some as well. The fourth chick crop, I guess you can say, deflated in like 2 days. And then most recently, the third chick's crop deflated, and I am so happy that it did, because I thought I was going to lose them. They were blowing up like balloons, and if it happens again, they're going to probably blow up and burst like Squidward when he ate too many Krabby Patties. Yeah. So I'm so happy that I saved them. Let me not speak too soon, because bad things still can happen. But like I said, I'm just that budgie breeding champ, I guess. Because I always end up saving the day. I feel like a superhero in some way. I'm going to show you the chicks now because I'm tired of talking and my my jaws are getting sore, and it's currently 4:50 in the morning, so I don't want to keep on going with this video. I gotta edit this video and make sure that it's uploaded by 1 o'clock. So let's show you guys the chicks. The only chick I will not be showing you guys is chick number 1 from Sherbert and Majesty, because I'm making a from egg to 30-day video with the first chick. So that's the only chick that I won't be showing, but all of the rest I will. And then after I upload the chick from 30 days to the egg, or egg to 30 days, then I'll show you guys the baby number 1 from Majesty and Cashew. It's a rainbow. Okay, let's get into the chicks now. Okay, so this is Cashew in Majesty's nest. Okay, so that is baby number 1. I want to barely. Okay, I don't want to show too much of him, but that's baby number 1. And then we have baby number 2, which is a opaline clear-winged violet. Let me see if I can focus on the feathers. So I guess the camera is not doing her any justice, because the colors on her are very much dark violet, but on the camera it looks light. But that's her. She's so sweet. Right here is the 3rd baby. I'm gonna name him Gizmo from the Gremlins, because that's what he looks like. You guys, I'm trying to focus with one hand, but he had a crop infection too, so it was just those 3, and everyone else is fine. But yeah, I'm gonna call him Gizmo because he look like one of them little gremlins. But he's bouncing back, and his feathers are growing in very perfectly. And yeah, that's Gizmo. Okay, so this is Ernie and Cotton's nest. Woo. Okay guys, so these are Majesty's other 3 chicks. And then there is 1 egg under her, which is her own egg. So this one is the 4th chick from Majesty and Cashew, and this one is the 5th, and that one is the 6th. And they're all doing perfectly fine, and they're all healthy. By the looks of the wings, and then it doesn't focus really. By the looks of the wings, it's a lot of dark in there. It's most likely gonna be a rainbow, but I don't know if that's the chick. Yeah, that is the chick. So the feathers are starting to appear, and they're mostly dark, so I'm guessing that's a rainbow, because that's usually how they start. And then with this one, so they both might be rainbows. Just hypothetically speaking, it could be incorrect. I could be wrong, but we'll just have to see. But yeah, that's Cashew's and Majesty's chicks. Okay, so this is Sherbert and Dewey's cage, and all I have to do is wave my hand over this nest box, and she will come out. See? Oh, you guys couldn't see my hand. Well, she came out. And that's her and Dewey. Okay, so the biggest one is the first chick, of course. And then under that one is the the 5th chick. That one is the 4th right there where my finger is on. And that one is the 3rd, I guess. And you guys can see the crop coming back out Like, I told you to go away. I was trying to tell people that you're all fine now and stuff, and now your crop is coming back out. You guys, I really promise you guys that his crop just 2 hours ago, it was stuck to him like normal. I really do not know why this is coming back out. So I will be giving him some more antibiotics before I go to sleep and some water to hydrate him up. Yeah, because he's dehydrated again, and that's the downside of a crop infection, also known as sour crop. I don't call it that. I just call it a crop infection. But I'm just gonna give him some more antibiotics and some water to hydrate him, so when I go to sleep, he'll be fine throughout the night. But it's deflating. It was way bigger than that, so it is going down. And yeah, that's the update. I don't want to leave you guys on like a bad, I guess, ending. But the ending is not over yet, so you guys will have to come back for more updates on this chick. Hopefully, he'll still be alive. I'm gonna do everything in my power. This is the only one that's struggling right now. All of the other ones are good. So, you guys. Oh, my hand is a little ashy right there. Oh, don't look at that. It's just I have a crop infection on my hand now. Okay, guys, I'm about to hydrate him, and like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, I'll be back probably next week or before then.